Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. And if you're returning, how are you? Well, today I'm shopping at Big Lots. Y'all know I love shopping at Big Lots. They really do have some really awesome prices. And when they clearance stuff out, wow, do they clearance it out. But when I checked out their clearance end caps, there really wasn't too much that I saw that I really liked. So, I mean, they had cookies and stuff, but from the one haul that we did, when we bought all of those cookies, when I tell you, we still have, I want to say 25 packs of cookies left. So, I passed all of that up. I really did. So, like I said, I really didn't buy anything off of that clearance end cap. Now, as I start to walk through the store, you're going to see that their shelves are starting to go bare. And it's a lot of the stuff that we as preppers would generally stock up on. And I filmed this on November 4th. So I don't know if people are starting to get scared or antsy or what the case may be. But I haven't seen Big Lots shelves bare like this since hurricane season. And even then, it wasn't that bare. And it was only in the non-perishable section. And because they do have a refrigerated section, but it was only in the non-perishables. So you're going to start to see that, yeah, it was a little nuts in there. I haven't seen it like that in a long time. Even their coffee is running really low, and it never looks like that. Never. So people are starting to see something. I don't know if they're starting to see what we see, but they're starting to see something. And here, look at all the juice. You see what I mean? Look at where the water normally is. All the Gatorade. Snack aisle, more of the crackers were gone. You know, popcorn, you know, not so much chips, but crackers and popcorn. Candy was gone through pretty well. Candy was gone through, and that was not any of the Halloween candy. They didn't have any Halloween candy left. This is just a regular candy aisle. So, but their candy was gone through pretty much. And then this is like baking, their baking aisle. So you see what I mean? Getting pretty bare here. So I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't know if people are waking up. I don't know. But like I said, this was on November 4th. So, yeah. Pet supply aisle. That was another thing. Pet supply aisle was pretty bare. So I don't know if you saw in that quick glance that I took down there. That was pretty bare. Now also, here's the HBA or hygiene aisle. Looking pretty bare here. So I don't know what's going on. But, you know, I hate to bring any kind of political anything into any of my videos, but I do live in a red state. So I don't know. You know, use your own judgment. Here's the OTCs. Even the OTCs are looking pretty bare. I mean, look at this. Okay, so, you know, OTCs, hygiene, non-perishables, pet foods, looking pretty bare here. And cleaning supplies. Cleaning supplies, they had some, but not a lot. Like the dish soap, you know, that was pretty bare. Laundry soap, yeah, they had some, but not as much as they normally do. I mean, look, down, see the bleach? Gone, just about. Laundry soap, they normally have so much stuff. They've got boxes piled in their aisles. So, you know, this is what I mean. Something's a brewing. Something's a brewing. So, because here's another aisle with laundry soap. Look, look, look. See? I don't know. Your thoughts? Huh? Your thoughts. Look, more cleaning supplies. Look. All right? They don't sell out like this. They really don't. So, give me your thoughts. All right, I'll talk to you later. I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.